and 1 and a 2 and a 3, 2 hands. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and an 8. Big hand, 5, 6, 7, wave it. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 2 and a 6 and a 7 and an 8. 5, 6, get low and ice the cake. Ice 2 hands. Ice the cake. Ice the cake. Yeah, it's really white and it's gooey all over the cake. 5, 6, 7, big hand. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 2 hands. 5 and a 6 and a 7, ice the cake. Ice the cake. Ice the cake. 2 hands cake. 2 hands cake. It could be cake or it could be DJ for you, whatever you want. DJ or cake. 5, 6, 7, big hands. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 2 hands. 5 and a 6 and a 7, ice the cake. Ice the cake. Ice the cake. Ice the cake. Ice the cake.
Hi, what's your name?
Indiana.
Say hey, Indiana.
Hey, Indiana.
What grade?
Fifth.
5th grade. What can you do today so that you can feel good inside, like there's a cousin Danny party inside your heart?
I can try my hardest and do what I need to do.
What you need to do. What do you need to do today?
Not fall asleep.
Not fall asleep. So if you don't fall asleep and try your hardest in class, you would say that was successful to you?
Yes.
That is a great answer. Just try your best and not fall asleep.
You, I love so much. So I miss you. And then the word again. Mom, I still love you too much. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And then this what guy. Bye.
Give me your love. Boom! It's like a summer crow. Give me your love. Boom! Give me your love. Boom! Give me your love. Boom! Your love. Your love. Small Asian Korean heart. Big heart to your teacher. Give him your love. Boom! Big heart turns your best friend or a friend. Give him your love. Boom! One last big heart. Thank you guys so much. Spring Lake Intermediate. Keep moving. Be responsible. Be respectful. And be safe. Give me your love.